Welcome to Najatoons, a space where nature meets the soul of the earth, where every heartbeat of an animal echoes inside you. Today, we don't just watch, we listen, we feel. We remember that we are also part of this living, breathing world. Close your eyes for a second. Breathe. Now, open them. The journey begins.
Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, we will talk about reptiles. The class Reptilia includes animals like on Earth over 300 million years ago, long before the dinosaurs. Reptiles are cold-blooded, meaning they need the sun's heat to warm their bodies. Most are carnivores, eating insects, fish, or small mammals. They lay eggs with leathery shells. Did you know some reptiles can grow back their tails? Lizards like geckos can detach their tails to escape predators, and a new one slowly grows in its place. Starting with the African spurred tortoise, scientifically known as Centrochelys sulcata. It is also called the sulcata tortoise, and it lives in the hot dry land south of the Sahara Desert in a region called the Sahel. These large tortoises the extreme heat, they dig deep burrows that can be over 6 meters long. They are herbivores, meaning they only eat plants. Their diet consists mostly of dry grasses, weeds, and succulents. Did you know the African tortoise species tortoise on Earth, and it can live for over 70 years? Some have even lived more than 100 years in captivity. Continuing with our reptile lesson, let's meet the leopard tortoise, scientifically known as Stigmochelys pardalis. Its tortoise is found in the savannas and grasslands of eastern and southern Africa. Leopard tortoise for the sense of our Savanna order sugar, eating a wide variety of plants, including grasses, fruits, and succulents. They rarely drink water, getting most of it from their food. Did you know the leopard tortoise has a unique way to escape the heat? Its doors will have the long periods come for lark drinks. Also, the patterns on its shell are as you mark drinking. Now let's talk about the African mud turtles, scientifically known as the genus Pelusios. They live in many countries, from Senegal and West Africa to South Africa, and even on the island of Madagascar. These turtles are perfectly adapted to life in freshwater. They live in swamps, marshes, slow-moving rivers, and seasonal ponds. They are omnivores and opportunists. They often hunt by searching along the muddy bottom of the water. Did you know that the Pelusios turtles have a very special defensive mechanism? They cannot fully follow den edh inside their shell meant to route by burying themselves deep in the mud. Let's talk about the helmeted turtle, scientifically known as Pelomedusa subrufa. It is also called the African side-neck turtle. It lives across Africa, from the southern South Africa and also in Madagascar and Yemen. This turtle lives in almost any freshwater place, rivers, lakes, swamps, and temporary rain pools. It is an omnivore, eating insects, fish, tadpoles, frogs, aquatic plants, and even dead animals. Did you know instead it folds its neck sideways, tucking its head under the shell's edge? It also releases a strong bad smell from its skin to scare away predators. Now let's talk about the African softshell turtle, scientifically known as Trinech tringuis. It is also called the Nile softshell turtle. It is the only living species in its entire genus, Trianon. Unlike most turtles, its shell and halbudder and the hide and eye are had in winning. It is flat, hard, and bottoms, eatens faster. Thick-skinned, well, diddly vargs, hard, and muddy clans. Did you know that the African softshell turtle has an amazing shell defense turtles? It cannot pull its head in arc, known to be very aggressive when threatened. Now let's talk about the Zambezi flapshell turtle, scientifically known as Cycloderma frenatum. It is a species of softshell turtle that lives in the rivers and lakes of southeastern Africa. This turtle has a smooth, leathery shell that is greenish itself for carnivore. It is primarily iconic in a slowing carnivore, feeding on slug rivers, lakes, aquatic small to may waters, frieds, and other sol cancro has 2 amazing adaptations. Did you know the Zambezi flatisar mastadari with flapjong hard, Brenny is in gitchel slassen fluffis shenopolpers nepriken then spokjul treden. Alright friends, we'll leave it here for today. I want to thank you all for being here and for joining us all this time. In the next reptile program, we'll be talking about crocodiles. Subscribe and hit the bell so you'll know when the next lesson is ready. And as a bonus, we're going to leave you with a song made by Afro Pulse for us about reptiles. We hope you like it. Thank you all so much. See you next time.
bajo el sol, sobre la roca caliente. El reptil espera, paciente y silente.
Sous le soleil, sur le rocher brûlant, le reptile attend, patient et silencieux.
Reptiles antiguos, dueños del calor. Reptiles anciens, maîtres de la chaleur. El cocodrilo acecha en el río, la víbora se esconde en el sombrío. Le crocodile guette dans la rivière, la vipère se cache dans l'eau.